In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the order not showing issue on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. When an order doesn't appear, it's usually because payment issues, account mix-ups, or filters hiding the order, not because it disappeared. Now, if you want to fix the order not showing issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by confirming the payment was successful. Check your email for an order confirmation and review your bank or PayPal transaction. If the payment failed or is still pending, the order won't appear yet. Next, make sure you're logged into the correct account on Etsy. Many times, orders seem missing because you're signed into a different email. Log out and sign back in using the email used for the purchase. After that, check if you placed the order as a guest. Guest orders don't automatically show in your account. Open your confirmation email, click View Your Order, then sign in or create an account to link it. Then, go to Purchases and Reviews and check your order filters. Make sure you're viewing all orders, including completed or cancelled ones, so nothing is hidden. Keep in mind that some orders may take a little time to appear if the payment is still processing. That's it. By checking payment status, account login, and filters, you can quickly find your missing order and access it without confusion.